love you.
Okay. No more kisses on the video. Hi guys, and welcome to Marla's World. And we are at the shop, and we're gonna get some stuff so we can
Bake Thanksgiving cookies.
make Thanksgiving cookies. And let's go.
Let's go.
We will see you guys. And we're at the mall, and we're gonna find some stuff so we can make celebration cookies.
Okay, wait. Let's look here. We gotta look here for cookies, right?
Yes. That's frosting. We don't even need that. Come on, let's keep going, guys.
No, wait. We have to look here first. Because I think it should be here, but I don't see any. Right here.
Guys.
Oh, yes, they're down here. It's this one. This one right here. Sugar cookies.
Sure.
Yeah, you don't think so? Wait.
Guys, let's keep going. Marla, can you hold that for me?
Okay, Bella.
Let's keep going.
So we're gonna get butter, and we need something to decorate the cookies, Bella. Let's see what they got up here. Look it.
Yep. We got some.
We could use this one.
We use
This one, look it. Cookie icing. We can use this to decorate, and that'd be so cute, right?
Yep. But it can be like.
Exactly. Let's get one of it.
Guys, let's keep going.
Wait, let's go.
Get some sprinkles.
What, this one? This the one you want? Aren't these too big?
Yep.
Or you could get like these ones, so we could just put on them. Like, what color do you want to get? What colors do you want to get?
This one, rainbow.
Yeah. Hi.
Excuse me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, let's find some more stuff.
Wait. It's okay. Let's get like gold. Like, we need to make them look pretty, right?
Why do we?
Now you can go.
Okay, and we're gonna go in the car, and we see it at home. Guys, we are back in the car, and we're gonna go home, and we see you at home, and you're gonna watch us drive. So that means you have to click on our channel
And subscribe.
and subscribe, and we'll see you at home. So
So guys, we are home now, and we're gonna be making cookies for the first time.
yes, and we didn't try for a long time, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win, not her. Just makes sense.
She's very competitive.
I'm not. I got my hair done from my mom.
Okay. So guys, we are going to be using the Betty Crocker.
That's sugar though.
Yeah, it's sugar cookies. So we basically went to the store early, as you can see, and we got the ingredients, this, eggs, and we get like some decoration stuff. I'll show you guys in a few, but like, you know, let's just get straight into the video.
Guys, I put something too. Why just my liver bag, and it just wow. Can I do it?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Oh,
Oh,
okay. Woo! There's a lot of sugar.
oh.
Okay. Okay, we got some. That this is a lot of sugar. And it, that's ugly.
Can you see it?
That's dates. That looks like a whole mountain.
So, I've never done this. I have to read the directions. Okay.
Guys, I don't even know about this.
She's so hyper.
I'm not. I was just.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh my God. That's even loose.
Guys, we are supposed to add 3 tablespoons of flour. So we're just gonna do that right now. 1,
Okay, 2.
2,
That's it.
3.
Okay, perfect. Now that it's all over the place. You step on
Yep. And so I have the 3 tablespoons in there now, guys, and I'm just gonna add the melted butter. We did use this butter. We used this butter and we melted it in the microwave. So we're just gonna pour it in.
Mom, can I just stir it? Can I stir it?
Yeah, stir it. Stir it.
Okay, this is hot. Hold on. Hot. Stop it. Wow, this looks good. Guys, I hope you do good. Yeah, that's stuck. That's stuck. Yeah, that's out. I'm gonna crack the eggs. Okay. Can I crack the eggs?
Now we're gonna add
Crack the eggs.
an egg.
Can I crack an egg?
Be careful. Be careful.
Oh, great. I did.
Stir it.
Okay.
Let me just help you a little bit.
Can I try after you?
So
You take that out?
does it need to add more? Do we need to add more flour?
We're not gonna follow instructions. Right?
Just one more.
What? Okay, that's good. Shit, we're not gonna start. I'm back. Okay. Can I spread it out? Okay.
Okay. Do your palm. Use your palm and spread it. Yeah, so that way, like your palm, Bella, your palm. Use your palm like this. Your palm. Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Use your palm and you do this. So that way you can cut it out. Can you get me a knife, please?
You're so nice, not me. You're nice to the camera.
I'm nice to you. I love you.
Okay. No one kisses on the video.
Wow! I'm leaving that in there because you're mean to me.
Fine.
The shame. Now you can do this, Bella. So guys, we greased the pan and now we are going to do the fun part. My favorite part is what? Now we're gonna choose our shapes.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the cat and the leaf.
Oh.
For me.
So we have some different ones here. We have leaves, because this is fall/Thanksgiving cookie cutters. So like we have different ones, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
So which ones do you want, Bella?
Okay.
You just choose one. Which one you want? Like turkey? I want a turkey, so go ahead. No, yeah, you did it the wrong way.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah! I don't know. That was a big one.
How do I get it out now?
I don't know. Maybe you have to just cut it. Oh, you broke my arm.
Sorry.
Yep.
This way?
Oh, yes. Wait. You have to make sure you're getting it at a good part. Okay. Press it down super hard.
Okay, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Wow, that's a bigger one.
Next time wiggle it around. So.
I want a pumpkin too.
Okay.
Can I have a pumpkin?
Wait. You're doing too fast. You're going to one at a time.
Can I do another one?
So, we take it out.
Can I do another one?
And
Can I do another one?
wait, can I do one first? I want to do the turkey. Because
Oh no.
Americans love their turkey.
Stop doing that. Ew, good. Keep pressing. That was like a big turkey. I'm gonna go down for you. See? There you go. That's it. Oh, no. That's a big turkey.
Ooh, that's a cute turkey.
I want to.
Guys,
Look at our beautiful cookies.
say it.
Look at our beautiful cookies we made. Okay. Look at our beautiful cookies, and we made them so good.
Yeah. So right now, guys, they're gonna be in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes, and after that, we're gonna let them cool, and then we're gonna decorate them with the supplies that we bought today.
Yeah.
So, yes.
So we're
Now
gonna.
put it in the oven.
Yes.
The oven is set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah.
So
And
we're
then
gonna
on the bottom
wait.
shelf.
We're gonna wait till it's really ready.
Yeah. So we're timing it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that means, guys, we have to don't take off the video. We can wait together.
So guys, those are cookies. They're not decorated. Show them the cookies. Like this. Bella started eating this one, guys.
And I like it.
Yeah. So just eat it.
Thanks.
So now we're gonna decorate them with the supplies that we got earlier. We have white cookie icing, and we have green as well, and we have some sprinkles, more sprinkles, more sprinkles. So we
That is a
have,
lot of sprinkles.
yeah, we get to choose. So
I don't want to eat this anymore.
no, you gotta finish it.
I want to put some sprinkles.
Okay, so now, guys, we are going to decorate. Decorate.
And then we go.
So now we're gonna decorate them the way we want to. So, yep.
Oh, we're gonna.
We're gonna.
Get these here. Can I get them
We're
here?
just gonna put them on this charger. We're gonna decorate them on that rather.
Okay, these are
So,
looks
which one are you gonna decorate first?
This one.
Okay. So Bella's gonna decorate that one.
I am getting here.
I don't think it's.
I think I know how to make like a zombie.
I'm going to use this.
Okay, I can make a
I'm
mouth.
going to do.
Okay, more bit. This looks exactly crazy. Okay.
I'm gonna use the green, and
I'm gonna make mustache.
I'm gonna decorate my leaf.
Oh, right.
And it's hard to come out.
Not for
Oh,
me.
like that, like every single. Unless you like put in a Ziploc bag.
God, this is crazy.
Remember, we're trying to compete, so let me see what you got, because I'm going to win.
No wait.
Yes, I am gonna win.
Stop being crazy.
Green leaf for Christmas.
My one, I'm gonna make like a thing like two mouths like a zombie or something like that. And I'm gonna put straight lines down like this. Up to baby! Get to me. Alright. Do you like my gun?
What is it? Zombie, right?
It's a zombie. I wish I could do like a,
They didn't have enough colors. They only had brown, green, and white. And I didn't really want brown because it's chocolate and we don't really like chocolate.
so,
So,
Alright guys, I'm gonna make a zombie.
Zombie look.
Ah! I lost.
Maple leaves.
Marla, I think you won now.
so you're conceding?
Yes, I lost. I'm gonna put some sprinkles. 'Cause I don't know what is about this.
Where you putting finish?
I'm doing green, like green leaf, the series green leaf. In memory of green leaf since they ended it.
Okay, guys.
Snap, she just likes a lot of sprinkles.
Ah!
Mm-mm-mm.
Where's my sprinkles?
Oh, be careful.
I got it.
Careful.
Okay. Ah! Okay, no, open this for me.
Plastic wrap on it. You can see it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Marla, you're never gonna win because I put sprinkles. I put
Yeah, but mine is gonna be
better.
better.
No, I use that.
What color should I put?
No, my colors.
I'm gonna put red. I don't know what I'm doing at this point.
I don't need.
Ooh, this looks so pretty!
Easy, girl.
Bella, listen! You're gonna get diabetes.
No, this is mine.
That's way too much.
Stop being like it. I don't want to be.
Oh, wow. Why don't they have the thing that you... Wait. I'll give it to you.
Ah! Can you get that for me,
I
Daddy?
can, but Marla can get it too.
You have to open it. Guys, I have a lot of sprinkles and I will win. Look at this all colored I put. And I'm going to taste this here. Bad or good. I'm going to do it.
I love mine.
Mine is better than yours. Okay? So, don't worry. So, now I'm going to taste mine.
No, we have to judge them and see which one looks better. Guys, I'm gonna put the pictures and I want you guys to comment and tell me which one is better, mine or Bella. You think yours is better than mine?
Yeah. The judge is going to taste it and see which one is better.
Lick it.
Okay.
Show them yours. You can't even hold it up because you get too many sprinkles. Okay. Hold it up like...
Why? I have too much sprinkles.
Oops, sorry.
That's right.
Look in the camera. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Okay. You want to taste a piece? Come. Do a taste test.
Ew.
It's good.
Tastes good?
Mm-hmm.
It was good, but I don't know about the icing. So good. Take a bite.
I think which one?
I think she a hater. Why are you hating on my cookies? Why are you hating on my cookies?
Sorry.
We gotta talk about this. Why? Because you know you didn't win?
Ken, which one was better, mine's or Marla's?
It looks better. I want it's better flavor. Tastes better.
Oh, I won. Huh?
I don't know.
It's two winners. You got two different winners. Two different things.
I won. Oh yeah. I won. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
This is amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. But,
My one is
guys, let's go. We made the cookies. And you just have to
what?
design them the way you want to.
Down. If you don't, and then get it all ugly.
If you don't, honestly, they're so much better like this. I'm not even gonna lie.
Too sweet.
Guys, we'll keep going because we have something for you. And
This is so good.
see,
I didn't know sugar cookie was this good. I've never had sugar cookies before.
Go to Subway.
Oh.
They're good though.
these are really good.
Guys, these are really good. The thing is, they're already so sweet. So because they're so sweet, you don't want to put a lot of these things on there.
Because I put a lot of things in them, maybe you can't even see it.
Yeah,
Too much sugar.
it's too much sugar, and you don't need all that sugar. You will need a lot of water after that. Well, it's good.
Yeah, guys. Guys, do you know about this?
It's easy to make. It doesn't take long at all.
Guys, let's get something. Can you know these are good or just
Yeah. So if you don't know what to bring to Thanksgiving, maybe you could bring some Thanksgiving cookies. Easy to make. So good. So good.
Yeah. If you eat what you want to, you just have to ask us. Right? If you don't ask us, we're never gonna do it to you. So, bye guys! And click and subscribe. Hang down on 1,
Subscribe.
2, 3, 4, 5. And,
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy us baking cookies together.
Yeah.
Bella really wanted to do this. She had fun trying to control everything. Yeah. But it was really good. I like the cookies. What else you gotta say? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, yeah. And click on our subscriber and click every day. And you want to eat healthy food, and that will give you really, really good teeth. If you don't, or you can eat a lot, your teeth will get really, really, really bad.
Okay. So yes, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. I have a Thanksgiving video coming up. Most likely the Friday after Thanksgiving, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. Bella's still enjoying her cookies. Wait, say bye.
Bye.